It's only by chance, really, that Gosport didn't put itself firmly on the map as the first place in Britain from which an aeroplane took off to fly the English Channel. I'll come to that in a minute when I present one of the men who very, very nearly pulled it off. He's Mr. Victor Hutfield, farmer, builder, special constable for 34 years, but above all, pioneer motor car and motorcycle engineer and constructor of aircraft. Now, tell me how it all came about, Mr. Hutfield. How did you come to take an interest in aircraft?
Well, my first job, when I started in business by myself, the naval officer, which in the blockhouse, come to me and asked me if I could go to school for an aeroplane.
Yes.
Which I did. At that time, there was 4 naval officers building machines, building two machines.
Yes.
The trouble was to get an airplane engine at that time.
Mm-hmm.
One had a 20 horsepower Alpha car engine fitted, which was, of course, too heavy for the job. The Lieutenant Port's machine, which I constructed, you see, he had 2 12-horsepower jet engines, you see.
Yes.
The propeller of that was chain-driven.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, that didn't turn out exactly as it should do. It never flew, did it? Well, sometime afterwards, I and 3 other men got interested in flying, and we built a machine and had it to Grange field. That had the French Lascelles engine, which that again wasn't satisfactory. We experimented with it for about 18 months. At one time, there was a young fellow, a very light young fellow. He was very interested. He just come into the hangar quite a lot, and we allowed him to try his hand to get the machine up, you see. Well, that wasn't satisfactory, and after about 18 months, we picked it up, you see.
Did the young man ever get anywhere in his flying career?
Oh, yes. When the flying corps, the Royal Flying Corps was formed, he joined up, and he finished up as Air Vice Marshal. His name was Lively.
It shows that he had it in his blood, anyway.
Oh, yes. He's very keen on it.
And Grange Field's been in existence ever since, of course.
Oh, yes.
Is it one of the ones that's scheduled for being closed down?
Oh, yes. It's going to be closed down finally on May the 6th.
You taking part in any of the ceremonies, having been so much in at the beginning?
Well, I've got an invitation to go to the ceremony.
Well, that's interesting, spanning all those years. When were your first experiments then, about the time of Blériot?
Right, 1909.
1909. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Hutfield. Now, will you choose a piece of music for us?
Well, as I was farmer once, we say, to be a farmer's boy.
That's a very suitable choice.